and everyone. Myself Sagarika.
Myself Saraswati.
Myself Sriharsha.
My name is Balaji.
Myself Sai Venkat.
My name is Farid.
So today we are here representing a project named Basura Futkar, the waste segregation, and today we are proposing a problem statement that is nowadays many waste is dumped on the roads and some other places irrespective of the dust, and many are facing problems in the rural areas. So that in order to get out of the problem, we started a project and found a solution so that some of the people can advantage for this project, and the remaining will be explained by our teammates.
We propose for all these solutions, we need to propose a solution that is our project Basura Futkar. We aim to help people in the way that nowadays we can see waste is dumped over large heaps and municipality manpower also very less. So we have to come across these problems and we made a project for reducing all these problems to people. And by this project, by household only we can minute the waste and we can do well, which will be continued.
We have many existing solutions. There are some landfill managements. We have landfill management like dumping waste into the land, and also we have segregation process and recycling 4R principle also existing nowadays. But it takes some time, and also for landfill management we need a lot of large amount of land, and also bacteria and virus will come generates while using the landfill management system. And composting will also one of the main advantage segregation process, but we need a lot of time to compost all the waste over the land. And 4R principle, coming to 4R principle, the time may takes more time, and also we are segregating waste at the household stage only. So it is quite useful to segregate the waste at household things. The functionality will be explained by one of my team.
Start.
The components required for this project are a container, a magnet, and a servo motor, Arduino, and a modulator, and Uno sensor, and SoilMost sensor. The SoilMost sensor are required to sense the dry or wet waste, and it can separate through it. The mechanism of this project is there are two layers in this project. One is separation of magnetic materials, and the second one is separating the dry waste and wet waste. So first we need to put the garbage through this hole. In this hole, the magnetic materials will attach to the magnets, and coming to the second layer, when the garbage falls on the oil moisture sensor, it detects the dry waste and wet waste. According to the waste, that it will flip on both either side of this project model. If it is dry waste, it will come on the right side. If it is wet waste, it will come on the left side.
Coming to the advantages and disadvantages of this project is, the main advantage is it is actually portable, and we can also reuse, recycle. We can use these 3 steps, reuse and recycle steps for this dustbin. It is also cheap and affordable by everyone and can be used at any places. But the disadvantages is only limited amount of waste is required you have to put only limited waste. And coming to the conclusion is, this dustbin is actually helpful to many rural and in urban areas we can use in household devices. So it is actually portable, so we can take it to many places, and it is also cost affordable. So we have generated this project.